Welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at an integral using partial fractions decomposition. So let's say you're given the task to solve 3x over x minus 1 x plus 2 dx. So how would you do this one? So this looks like a rational function. So the way you do it is by using partial fractions. I suggest you watch my algebra video on partial fraction decomposition because I have the same function and I decompose it explicitly. So in this video, I'm just going to show you the steps in case you already know how to do the partial fraction. So the way you do it is as follows. So this is equal to, so the way you would do it is you would do partial fractions on this here as follows. So you would do, this integral becomes a, and then it becomes x minus 1 plus b x plus 2 dx. So I decompose this here, but we need to find a and b. So if you know how to do partial fractions or my other video, you're going to find that a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. So this will become integral of 1 over x minus 1 plus 2 over x plus 2 dx. And from the rules of integration, we know that we can split this integral into two separate integrals. This will become 1 over x minus 1 dx plus 2 1 over x plus 2 dx. Now we can do the final step to solve for the actual integral. So from here, we're going to do the first integral. The first integral, 1 over x minus 1, we're going to do the antiderivative, and the antiderivative says that 1 over x minus 1 becomes ln of absolute value of x minus 1 plus 2 ln absolute value of x plus 2 plus c. So from here we get to here, and this will be our final answer. So that integral becomes easier by doing partial fractions. So I have a YouTube video for the partial fraction part, so look at it. I'm gonna give it to you in the description. So don't forget to subscribe to my videos. Thank you very much.